Hello everyone, myself Rushikesh Amrapawar, and today we discuss about ORM and JPA in Spring. Spring Boot JPA is a Java specification for managing relational data in a Java application. It allows us to access and persist data between a Java object and class at Java object and class and relational database. JPA follows object relation mapping ORM. It is a set of interfaces. It also provides a runtime entity manager API for processing queries and transaction on that objects against the database. It uses a platform independent object oriented query language JPQL, Java persistent query language. In the context of persistent, it covers three areas. First is Java persistent API, second is object relational metadata, third is the API itself defined in the persistent package. JPA is not a framework. It defines a concept that can be implemented by any framework. Why should we use JPA? JPA is a simpler, cleaner, and less labor intensive than JDBC, SQL, and handwritten mapping. JPA is suitable for a non-performance object-oriented complex application. The main advantage of JPA over JDBC is that in JPA data is represented by objects and classes, while in JDBC data is represented by tables and records. It uses POJO class to represent persistent data that simplifies database programming. There are some advantages of JPA. JPA avoids writing DDL in the database specific and the JPA architecture. Architecture of JPA is and the next is JPA implementation in object ORM, object relational mapping, relation mapping. In ORM, the mapping of Java objects to database tables and vice versa is called object relational mapping, means ORM. The ORM mapping works as a bridge between relational database, table and records, and Java application, classes and objects. In the following, the ORM layer is an adapter layer. It adapts the language of object graphs to the language of SQL and relational table. So thank you everyone.